Yeah. All right, here we go with input. So we're talking about box plots. We warmed up because we need to know the mean and median. And we are going to start with our language of the discipline. Gate icon, draw your gate icon lips. Bless you.
Bless you.
Shh, I should hear no voices. Okay, the first vocabulary word is a lower quartile. Lower quartile. Zoom. Lower quartile. This is the median, so middle number, the median of the lower half of a data set. It'll make sense later, I promise. So it's the median of the lower half of your data set. Go ahead, Maverick. Upper quartile.
Yes.
Upper quartile.
Connor, you made me want to see us.
Jesus, God.
Your mommy wants to see you.
Bad boy.
To the principal's office it goes. All right, here we go. The upper quartile, you'll probably be able to guess what it is the median, oops, can't spell today, of the upper half of the data set. It's the median of the upper half. And then box plot. Definition of a box plot is a type of graph that shows how data is distributed. Basically another graph like the other two we did the other day. So let me draw one for you. Okay, so let's draw a straight line so you know what a box plot looks like. Use a ruler, straight edge. My numbers might go 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on. A box plot means you find the mean of the numbers, so the middle number, so you'll get a set of data. You'll plot the mean, the median. Then you're going to find the median of the lower half of the numbers, the upper half median. You'll find the lowest number and the highest number. You'll draw a box. Don't worry, I'll give you directions on this. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And then the ends are your whiskers.
Whiskers.
Like that. That's what a box and whisker plot looks like. So let me label for you what each part is. So right here, where this dot is furthest to the left, is your least value, the smallest value, the least value over there. Okay? This one right here is your lower quartile, okay? Lower quartile. That's that dot that is the median of the lower half of your numbers. The middle number of the low half. Okay? Your middle point is just your median of all of your numbers, the middle number of all of them. The dot at the end of the box is your upper quartile, which means the median of the first half of the numbers. And then your greatest value is at the end. Greatest value. Go ahead and label that. Once you've labeled that, your pencil's in the air. It's fine when you're ready. So you put your pencils. Looks like we're almost there. Bueno. Alright, let's go to the steps before we go to modeling. So label this finding the median, upper quartile, and lower quartile. So these are going to be the steps on how to find the median, upper quartile, and lower quartile so that we can draw a box plot. Step 1. You're going to order the numbers from least to greatest. You're going to order the numbers from least to greatest. Step 2. You're going to circle or find, either way, I like to circle it, the median. And we know how to find the median because we have quiz on that. Step 3, you're going to find the median of the lower half and then the upper half. And then finally, well, I'll say plot the lowest number, we'll say LQ for lower quartile, median, UQ for upper quartile, and greatest number. So you have 5 things to plot. The lowest number, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the highest number. So basically it's a lot of median finding. You can find the middle number, you're golden. You will be cool. Calling all models. I think we should clap as he walks down the runway. Alright, ready? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Model. Oh, everybody give a round of applause. Yes, the model. Strike a pose at the end. Oh, yeah. I like it. That was the best modeling yet. Alright. Here we go. His eyes. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Modeling.
Give me. Let's see.
Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to get a list of numbers. So the problem might look like this. This is going to be the prices of jeans. Everyone has their favorite pair of jeans. So they may give you a range of prices of jeans.
Oh, I think you said J's.
J's? That'd be
There's
cooler,
J's
but...
on my peanut.
Alright, so they give you $35, $28, $42, $50, if you hear anyone's voice, $24, $75, $47, $32, and $60. $35, $28, $42, $50, $24, $75, $47, $32, and $60. These are all prices of different pairs of jeans. Now the question they're going to ask you is they're going to say, find the median, lower quartile, and upper quartile. So they don't even want you to graph in the first question. They just want you to be able to find the median, find the lower quartile, and find the upper quartile. That's all they're asking. No problem. We can do that. We sure can. Step 1 tells us that we need to order the numbers. Right? We need to put these numbers in order. So let me go ahead and do that for you. 24 comes first. 28, 32, 35, 42, 47, 50, 60, and 75. So the first thing they ask you to do is just put the numbers in order from least to greatest. We can do that. We did that in first grade. Least to greatest. Easy. Now my step 2 that I like to do is I like to circle the median so I can see it. You can do what you want. Okay, but step 2, I'm going to circle the median. So I'm going to grab mine. I'm going to say, okay, let's see the middle number. Here we go. 1. Ooh, 42 is my middle number. So I found the median. The median is 42. $42. Okay? So I found the median. 60. Pencil up when you're ready. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, so now in step number 3, okay, you have to find the lower quartile and the upper. So step 3, I have to find the lower and I have to find the upper. Now when I look back at the definition of what the lower quartile means, that means I look at the numbers that I have and I find the middle number, the median of the lower half. Okay? So, looking at these numbers, here's my lower half right here. Right? Now, what's the middle number of my lower half? 28 and 32. Perfect, right? Because there are two numbers in the middle. So when there are two numbers in the middle and I have to find the median, what do I do? Who's that smart sixth grader that knows the answer? Leo?
You add both of them together and then divide by 2.
Beautiful. You add both of them together and divide by 2. So I see here in my lower quartile, I have 28 and 32. I can't do that. I have to add them. Okay? So I'm going to add 32 plus 28, and I'm going to get 60. Very good. And then I need to divide that by 2. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. So that's my lower quartile. Then found the lower one. So you're just finding the median of the lower half of the numbers. Does that make sense?
Yes.
No? Okay, look. I found the median, right? The lower quartile means I find the median of the lower half.
Oh, I see.
So 32 and 28 are both in the middle. So I have to add them together and divide by 2 to get the median.
I could put it in.
So lower quartile means, Maverick, that I ignore this rest that I did. And I'm just finding the median of these 4 numbers. That's it. Yeah? Because that's the lower half. I already found the median. To find the lower quartile means the lower half. So everything below the median. I have to find the median of that. Okay? Now, upper quartile means that I'm going to ignore everything to the left of my median. And now I need to find the median of the upper 4 numbers. So what's the median here? 50 and 60, they're both in the middle. So I have to add them together and divide by 2. 50 plus 60 is 110. 110 divided by 2 is 55. And that's my upper quartile. Okay? So let me pause for a second. Alright, so if I have a list of numbers, okay, say I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay? For example, look up here. What's my median of this? 10. 10's in the middle, right? This is my lower quartile. This is my upper numbers. So I need to find the median of these 4 numbers. Bam.
4 and 6.
4 and 6. So that'd be 6 plus 4, which is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5.
And then 14.
So I found the median of the lower half. Yeah?
Yes.
Now I need to find, boom, the median of the upper half.
15.
So I have 14 and 16.
That's 30.
I got it, thank you. And then I divide it by 2 and I get 15. So this is my median, the median of the whole set. The median of the lower half is my lower quartile. The median of the upper half is my upper quartile. That's all that means. So you're just finding a median within the median, if that makes sense. Kind of, sort of?
A little bit.
Kind of, sort of? All right.
I know. Yeah, it's
Just a lot of medians. If you know how to do the median, you can do it. All right. That's good. That's good. That's first trial. Now let's try when they ask us to graph it. Hey, we can do it. Okay. So here's question number 2. We need to learn how to make a box plot. Okay. So let's title this "Making a Box Plot" because we need to learn how to do that. Making a box plot. How do I do that? Okay? Step 1. Easy. Put the numbers in order. Step 2. find the median, upper quartile, and lower quartile. This is where it changes. Step 3. Ooh, it's so hard. Draw a line.
Oh my god.
I know.
So frustrating.
It's
It's
Damn.
so frustrating.
Why?
And then step 4, you have to plot a couple of things. You're going to plot the least value, the smallest number. You're going to plot the lower quartile. You're going to plot the median. This means just put a dot on those spots. You're going to plot the upper quartile. And then you're going to plot the greatest value. Lastly, after you put those points on the graph, you're going to draw a box of the median, upper quartile, and lower quartile. Then you're going to draw whiskers you're going to draw whiskers to the least and greatest value. That's what when you have that. So Srini, go ahead and stop that so we'll finish when we come back. We have 5 minutes.